Hello, thank you so much for coming back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Taylor and I create all sorts of real life cleaning motivation videos for you here on this channel. Today's video is my what I'm doing after bedtime cleaning routine. So my husband has already put the kids to bed. I'm starting to clean up the living room and do all of that. So the first thing I'm doing is I know that I needed to make bread the next morning, so I'm just starting the process just because I wanted to do all of the folding and rising stuff while I was doing my cleaning routine. So I don't make bread every night, but if I do have something that needs to cook overnight or whatever, I will start before I get to cleaning. Now I'm putting all of the dishes by the sink so that I can clear the counter space for putting away all of the leftovers that need to be put away and stuff like that. But I feel like dirty dishes are what sits out the most and kind of takes up most of my counter space, and as you can tell, I don't have a lot of counter space to work with, so I try and just consolidate all of it so that I don't get overwhelmed, because I do easily it just becomes too much for me sometimes, which I'm sure you can relate. This is the super fun part. Guys, high chairs are so disgusting. Oh. I feel like Jack makes such a mess, and every single time I'm cleaning up all of the stuff that he dropped on the floor, I forget that I have one of those mats, the leather mats that you lay underneath a high chair. I don't know why. I can never remember. Probably because I always have 65 things going on, and I guess not enough brain space. Also, I will link the products that I use for his high chair. I love that he has a little footrest, and he has a little cushion too, but I can't ever figure out how to use it with the buckles, and he definitely climbs out of his high chair, so I have to prioritize the buckles over the cute cushion. But I do put the cushion in it whenever it's just being unused, because it's cute and I paid money for it. there are a lot of new people here, so I just kind of wanted to share my heart behind this channel. I personally feel like our homes are our sanctuary. They're our place of rest, and whenever we are going out and spending our energy, we need to come back to a place where we feel centered and where we don't feel overwhelmed. So I feel strongly about creating that environment in our homes, and the way I do it is I try and always keep a clean space. Now, don't get me wrong, I always let my kids make a mess and explore and do all of the creating they want to do, but we live a pretty minimal lifestyle, we live a pretty minimal lifestyle, and we don't have a ton of stuff. Our cleaning routine is very simple. I teach my children how to clean up after themselves, so it doesn't take a lot of energy to leave my house every night clean. It doesn't take a lot of energy for me to go to bed every night with a clean house, because it's important to me, because whenever I wake up in the morning, I want to have a space where I can come and it is peaceful and it's ready for me for the day, and it's not me coming into the living room or into my living space seeing all of the things that I need to get done. It's clear and it's fresh and it's ready for whatever it is that we want to do that day. And I also feel the same way about leaving the house. Anytime we leave the house, I always pick up, because I know that while I am out, I'm going to be spending my energy, and I'm going to want to come home and just rest and not see the physical representation of my to-do list. So what I'm trying to do here is encourage you and motivate you to be able to create the same kind of space. So this is about it. I'm just moving some laundry over so that I can throw the laundry that's in the washing machine in the dryer and then fold all of that in the morning. But I just worry about tidying the main living spaces. So my living room, my kitchen, and the girls' toys go on the stairs for them to take up, and then I tidy my bedroom before I put the baby down. But that's really it. And then tomorrow everything is ready for us to have a good day, a fresh day, and yeah, it's a good time. So I have some bread rising on the counter right here. In a second you'll see my bone broth that's cooking, and that's really all. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful and encouraging. Please like this video if it was, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.